Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Farming Simulator 25, and I'm about to show you guys in this tutorial how actually I got a copy of the game for free, guys. And you can do this also, you guys. You just watch this video until the end. I'm going to explain to you all the steps I did for myself, and you'll be able to get a copy of the game, and you can play it in any platform that you play, guys, PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. So just follow me until the end. I'm going to explain everything you need to know, guys. Okay, so I just need to turn the camera on the other side to explain all the steps you need to know. So as you can see, guys, right in front of you I have my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game for free. So it doesn't matter the device that you have, iOS or Android, the steps are going to be the same. We're going to get a game code which you can redeem after the game in any platform that you are playing, guys. Okay, so mine, I got it by SMS. I'm gonna share to you that how it looks like if you decide also to get it by text. So just you're gonna get this text practically. I think it's the same for everyone. It says congratulations, task is being completed successfully. This is the game code. This is one-time use. I already did it. Is your Farming Simulator 25 game code from use coupon. So basically I went to this website over here, guys, which you have a lot of other things you can check later, and I will continue the rest of the steps to explain how to do it. And type here in the searching bar, and here it comes. And then scroll it down, you have here different platforms. For the whole platforms, guys, the steps are the same. You just need to choose which one you are playing. All right, so I will just continue PC5 since I did this one, and then unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds, guys, so the whole process will get done until the end. And by the end of this process, you're going to be able to get reconnected to another page, which it will require to complete little task in order to unlock the code. It's pretty simple to do it, guys. Just follow me. I'm going to explain to you. You just need to read the instructions, guys, what is required. And it says to download and complete 2 apps below to unlock a Farming Simulator 25 game code. After complete the task and their phone number, email above. As you saw with me, I got a SMS because I put my phone number. If you want, you can put also your email. This is on your own choice, guys. Okay, but before you do that, you can have down below a list of the apps which you need to complete the task. So basically you just need to choose these two apps, try to find which is simple and easiest, because every app, as you can see, have different instructions. So make sure you read the instruction because this is a very important part, what is required. So try to find which is easiest one, and you don't lose too much time. You can do it quickly. All right, so make sure guys do not use any VPN or proxy, because otherwise the process will fail. And how it works, basically you just need to choose which one you do it. Me, I did, for example, Crown Coins. I did High Five Casino. This was very simple task to do it, guys. It took me like 5 minutes to complete both of them because the instructions were very simple. So basically you just need to follow what is required, guys. You just press on it, and then it shows the instruction what you have to do. In this particular app, it's showing that to follow instruction in the next page, so tap to install. And in the next page, it explains to you what you have to do. So basically it says to you, it's going to take us to App Store because I'm using iPhone. If you're using Android, it's going to take you Play Store. And it says to search in the searching bar, to type casino, and then to find the name of the app, Crown Coins Casino, and just to install and just to open it. So practically search in the App Store. Okay, get connected with the App Store right now. So basically you need to go and type casino as the task was required, and search, and then scroll it down and to find it where it is. It's here, and as you can see, to me it shows open because I've done it before. To you to show the sign of download, so practically just download it, to open it, and just to stay a couple of seconds on app, and that's it, guys. Me, I did this too. Okay, casino, Crown Coins Casino and High Five Casino. These two, they was very simple. Also High Five Casino, it was very simple task. It says just to install and to unlock the content. So practically tap to install, again reconnect with the App Store because you're using iPhone, and Play Store Android. To me it was open, so I just need to download it and just need to open it for a couple of seconds, the app, guys, and it was considered as a task done. So after I did both of them, I just came back, put my phone number here, and I submitted. And a couple of minutes after they verified I did correctly everything, they just sent me by SMS the task, as you can see here. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and I hope you enjoyed the game. See you in the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who like to play this game. Cheers.